Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm here to invite you to my workshop in Mexico. Don't you want to go to Mexico and the beaches and paint for 5 days? Yes, you do. And I get to go along. It's all about loose painting with color and collage, and it's 10 miles south of Puerto Vallarta. So it's away from all those boats and people, and we're going to be going into a real Mexican village, a working Mexican village, fishing village, where we get to paint and stay in our own casa in a shaded area on the top floor for 5 days. And there's the mountain, the water, and the beach is right there, and it's like 30 feet away from us. And we're painting there. They take care of us. Bob and Monica, they take care of us. We're in their casa, multi-leveled home there, and lots of places to sleep, eat, and dine. They wine us and dine us. And in the Mexican culture, it's fantastic. I do some of my best work when I'm there. I call it a Paint-Cation, away from all of this and right into Mexico culture and having a great time. I hope to see you there. And I want to thank again Bob and Monica for inviting us every year. I think this is about our maybe 10th time. I don't know. We keep going back every year. So we're doing something right. And I know a lot of you are going to be doing some of your best work while you're there too. Hey, see you there.